Hi, this is Jeff Rain with JT's Carpet Cleaning Service. We're doing another video on an air duct job. I know we did one just recently, but this here is a special scenario that happens quite frequently. Air duct cleaning has kind of got a bad rep from bigger companies that come in here and do a shoddy job and charge you a little bit of money and leave. That's why it's cheaper, is because they don't do the work, and we're proving it. I just don't want you to take my word for it. We're going to show you today. The homeowner of this house I met on a job last week for a company we both work for. We've never met, and he's seen what I was doing, seen how much dirt I was pulling out, and he's like, that company that I hired didn't do any of that, none of that. And I said, I want to clean, I got some allergies and I'm still suffering from it. So I agreed to come out, and he's paying me to redo a job that they supposedly did 8 months ago. And here's some proof. This is the first vent that I pulled off when I got here. It's completely horrendous. This vent was never cleaned. Ever. Probably since the house was built 50 years ago or longer. So anyway, I thought, well, I missed stuff, so maybe they missed it. So I went to start taking other vents off, and I noticed that the vents were painted on the wall still. And the screw holes I couldn't get to because they had paint in them. I didn't think nothing about it at first. I went and get a knife and started taking off, and it hit me. These vents were never taken off, ever. So whatever they did out here 8 months ago, they didn't clean the vents out. I don't know what they did, but it wasn't vent cleaning. So anyway, we're going to shoot a video on me cleaning it out and then show you an afterward shot. And that's why it's a little better to pay a little more money and get it done right the first time. Alright, this is Jeff again with JT's Carpet Cleaning. We're set up to clean this vent we talked about just a minute ago that the homeowner had them cleaned 8 months ago, and whatever they cleaned, it wasn't the vent. We're going to show you first getting all the big debris out. You'll probably be able to hear it coming through the hose. Then we're going to do the reverse airflow, getting all the dust out. And we're going to film this to show you the difference. Just so that you know it's for real, I did a testimonial with the homeowner explaining what happened, so you don't take my word for it. Here's going to be the dust coming through that's on the sidewalls from our vent that was supposedly already clean. All right, Johnny. All right, off.
Hi, my name's Aaron Wright. JT's Carpet Cleaning Service came out. I had somebody here several months ago to clean my vents. They didn't do a proper job, obviously. He's ran his camera down here and it's filthy. I'm just giving a testimonial of 3 things. He's on time, he's reliable, and he does a quality job at a good price. And he'll give you a great job, and he'll clean your vents and carpets wonderfully. If you need him, use him, call him. I don't know how good that was. You can tell how filthy these vents are.
And supposedly they were cleaned 8 months ago. This one's never been touched. And I got a feeling the rest of them are like that too. So whoever did it ripped him off.